the door you come in from the main lobby. You have a key card. Tapping it does nothing. I just did that for no reason. It's Chris finishing packing while I just walk around with the camera. Inside the kitchen, we have the bathroom. Pretty nice bathroom. Really nice shower. I love the finish on the faucets. It's really, really pretty. And then behind the door, there's another door. Excuse me, there's a washer and a dryer. Oh, and there's motion activated lights in all the closets, which I really like. Alright. Bathroom and the kitchen. Oh, the air just kicked on. It's kind of cold. And this is our room. It looked better before we got here. And then you have a view of the outside. The only bad thing is when people walk past the window, you can hear their conversations like they're talking to you, which isn't great for people who come in late and you're trying to sleep. Here's the closets. Some motion activated lights. Like an ironing board, an iron, all that. TV. Then this is just like a water heater and stuff. I have it locked, so can't get in there. Ignore the bag, that's just our recycling. And then here's the dishes. Some of the cooking dishes. Then other dishes were up in the kitchen.
They provide the recycling bag.
They do.
And you just throw your recycle in there and then separate it into what it can be recycled for.
Yep, they sort it, so I don't have to. And here's the living room. I have to turn on a light. I had to close the curtains because the sun was too bright from the patio. Here's the living room. Here's the master bedroom. Let's look outside. See, this is why I had the curtain closed in the living room, so it was way too bright. Bedroom. Let's get the TV also. Closet. Oh, Chris, the safe was in this closet. Our closet the safe was in here.
Yeah, I noticed that the other day.
Our closet didn't have a safe, and we're like, there's got to be one somewhere. It's master bedroom, or I guess bathroom. Really big shower. Then the toilet gets its own little closet. That's literally all that's in there. I just love like the wood and all that. Oh, I think it's cool. And then that door is conjoined to another room. Like if you have a big family and you're renting 2 rooms at a time, you can have, that's where they are. And then the pilot light stays on the fireplace, so just be careful around that. And then the best part, sorry, Chris was throwing ice in the freezer. The best part is the balcony. pretty big balcony too. There's room for this rocking chair, and there's room for a table for 4 people. It's really nice. I don't want to go home. Guess we better go make sure we're done packing, because we asked for an extended checkout since we got in at like 2 o'clock this morning. So we're supposed to check out at 10. We talked them into letting us leave at 11, and it's about that time, so I guess we start to head home now.
It was fun.
It was fun.